Good morning, guys. It's 2:45 a.m. and I am packing up for a trip. This is going to be a quick trip, so I'm just going to bring the essentials like heat tech, layers, socks, tights, underwear. I'm also going to bring a pair of pants, a skirt, some sweaters, a sleepwear, and a swimwear. I will also bring a hoodie, my toiletry bag, other travel necessities, a pair of sneakers, and my comfiest slides. Let's go!
Bye-bye.
안녕! Today we are flying as non-revenue passengers, so we are going to be on standby. Flying standby means we don't have confirmed seats, so it's all about timing and availability. We are aiming for the first flight out. Join us in this journey and let's see if we make it. Si Aisel, say hi. Hi, Mom. It's Miss Purple. Hi.
Isa ka lang po sabi na isa, gusto niya sa tubig.
What?
Kasi girl, iba yung sabi ko.
You just hold here. Yeah. Hanga ka na naman, Mom. It is C11. All the way to the end, Mom. C11. Even if we get seats, we're not yet safe until the plane pushes back from the gate. Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are here in Seattle and we're gonna try to go to Vancouver. Let's go. What are you getting? What are you getting, Mom? Omelette. There's congee. Yeah. We're at the lounge. That's our gate. Also got congee. I'm gonna try congee. Yeah. I mean, lugaw. Ng congee. I'm gonna try this. Yogurt. from? What did you get? Oh, it looks actually looks good. Can I try? I would eat it as is without the bread. What is this on you? That's so cute. Oh my god, look how cute. It actually matches my clothes. So cute. I brought baon actually. I saw. I brought baon. Brought creases things.
Yeah.
And then I bought this. This is yum. Let me show them what you brought. Show them yours. Cheesy. That's our baon for the flight. You have to check the passport. Thank you. We're gonna go to our gate.
Oh, baka
Good morning, everyone. It's great to have you on board with us on our flight to Vancouver. As you do clean. All passengers must clear immigration and proceed to customs. On behalf of this Blazing Days crew, thank you for choosing to look forward to seeing you.
We made it! Just landed in Vancouver and we're so excited to be here. Mom has been wanting to visit her sister and her family here. That's why this trip is special. Let the adventures begin! Aisel! Welcome to Korea! Oh. Oh, just kidding. Oh, kidding, we're in Canada. Just gonna go to the bathroom. So they took our tag. I lost my keychain. And then Aisha lost her lock. Her Tumi lock is gone. Ah, so annoying. Rain, but Japa dog, I said. Japa dog. My favorite. Here. Passenger pickup. I know, my favorite Japa dog. Passenger pickup. the rain. Hi, Mom's here. There. Wow, Jerry skills. Hi. 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 Eating my thins. I mean, they're thins, right? So I'm having two. Welcome back to my channel. It's Fritzy. Happy Vlogmas Day.
13.
Happy Vlogmas Day 13.
It's Friday the 13th.
It's Friday the 13th. Luckily, we made it. I didn't. Oh shit! Yeah, it is Friday the 13th. But we got on our flights on our first try. Yeah. The non-rev guard, non-rev gods are guiding us. Thank you so much. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just enjoying my Reese's things. And that's it for today. There's so much more to share. I'll post the next part later. Thank you so much again for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!